Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. So this is your Vibro from Filmora Made Easy. And today in this video, I'll teach you how you can create your own music by using Filmora, Wondershare Filmora 13. And I really want to apologize for all this delay. You know, I've been inactive these days, but in this video, I'll be showing you, and I'll try to be active again. And in this quick video, I'll show you how you can create your own music. All right, first and foremost thing what you need to do is go ahead and open up Wondershare Filmora 13. Even for this video, the music that you're listening to right now has been created by using Filmora 13, so that's pretty great. So after you open up Filmora 13, make sure you click on New Project. All right. Once you do that, Filmora will open up with all its glory. And now what you need to do is go ahead and click on the Help button right here, and then click on Check for Update. We are doing this because we want to be in the latest and the greatest version of Filmora, because right now, at the time of me shooting this video, Filmora is in 13.6.10, and if you're just watching it in a later time, this version might be above it. Maybe 14 might come up, or 13.7 or whatever, it might just come up. And make sure you're using the latest and the greatest version of Filmora. All right, once you're sure about it, click on the audio button right here. Now we will need to click on AI music, as you can see here with the AI logo here, if you can see. Now we will be expanding or clicking on it, and then here what you get is a place, not place. There are options that you can select. There is mood, there is theme, there is genre. All right, so let's go to mood. We want something to be smooth, or we want something to be, busy, frantic. I don't know. Maybe let's try happy or epic. Let's try epic, or let's try hopeful. That sounds much better. Let's try hopeful. Then let's go to theme. Now you have to select the type of music that you're creating for. For example, you can create for vlogs, travel, romance, gaming, horror, whatever things you want to do. For me, I just want tutorials because I am creating a tutorial video for you guys. So I'll select tutorials. You can also increase or click on the plus icon here, or click on the genre button here. So it just does the same process or same step. Now you have to select the genre of the music. For me, I just want to create lo-fi music, because it's just laid back and just makes you feel pretty good when you're listening to some lo-fi music. And then along with that, there is some when you're watching some tutorial videos, so that is pretty great. Now there is a settings button right here, which after clicking on it, you can get some options like tempo. You can select tempo from low, normal, and high. Let's select a normal, and also you have music duration. I would suggest you to use around 2 minutes 40 to 2 minutes 30 seconds. For me, I'll select 2 minutes 30 seconds. And generated music count, I would suggest 6, because all the the results that come out, you might not like it. So I would suggest you to use it 6, because there will be 6 music that will be generated, and among those 6 music, you can select the one that you love. After all of that is done, click on the generate button. Now with the power of AI, Wondershare Filmora will create music, free music for you, and that you can use on your video, that you use on your ad program, or whatever video that you're creating for your client, or maybe your personal project, whatever things you may be creating. But yes, by using the power of AI, Wondershare Filmora will create music for you that you can use on your video without any problem. There's no problem about licensing or anything as such. So here we have the tracks here. So hopeful, tutorials, lo-fi music. This is my time, 1:33 p.m. These above ones are the ones that I created before. So let's take a listen to them. How do they sound? Okay, let's listen to this one. Nice. Let's listen to this. Okay. Okay, that's nice. All right, if you are if you have loved a track, maybe for example, I did love the first one. So what you'll need to do, just click on it and drag it onto your timeline, and it will just download the music for you. Like download the music on your computer, and then there you have the music that you can use. Yeah, so there you can use the music for your video creation or anything as such. Well, that's how you go ahead and use Wondershare Filmora 13 to create your own music that's you for free without any problem whatsoever. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any problems or any questions, please let me know in the comment box down below. That's pretty much it. Do subscribe for more videos just like this one, and yeah, I just said too much. Well, take care.